Welcome to Braylen AV. Today, we'll discuss 16 millionaire mindset motivationals. If you haven't yet, please subscribe and click the notification bell. Your mentality is the way in which you approach anything. It is a compilation of your ideas, presumptions, and convictions. How you view the world, the people in it, and your place in it depends on your attitude. And your behaviors are greatly influenced by the way you view yourself. This will undoubtedly affect your outcomes. Number 1. Embrace change. Change and difficulties should be embraced. Regain your sense of enthusiasm for life, and cultivate the capacity to adapt to change in order to go forward. Everything in your life is something you created. Own it, and take initiative to make success a reality. Number 2. Make the right decisions quickly. The ability to make decisions is crucial to building wealth. If you can master this, the benefits are tremendous. Those who make judgments quickly, and with absolute certainty typically receive the reward they seek. Number 3. Millionaires never stop learning. No matter how successful or advanced they have become, the wealthy never stop learning. Rich people spend most of their time reading and learning from others, in order to advance. When learning ends, growth may only halt at that point. Everything is completely within the control of your thoughts. You and your business will succeed the more and more you learn. Number 4. Never give up. They are aware that it is never too late to realize your ambitions. Whatever your age, it's imperative that you persevere. The person who will gain the most from achieving your ambitions is you, so keep going and never give up. Number 5. Rich people aren't afraid of failure. People who are wealthy do not fear failure. Successes will come as a result of it. Millionaires don't hesitate to explore new things. When you reflect on failures, you'll see the lessons needed to learn to succeed. Number 6. A rich mentality. The wealthy usually follow a budget. They seek professionals who help them over time master investing, like the stock market. A successful individual prioritized paying off debt. Rich people also know how to make use of their wealth by reinvesting. Number 7. The rich don't work for money. Rich individuals labor for themselves, but not for money. They learned how to make money work for them, thus allowing them time to focus on the things that are really important. They constantly work on self-development, through practicing and mastering their skills and abilities. Number 8. They are opportunity seeking. The wealthy are always on the lookout for possibilities. They are constantly looking for methods to enhance what is already present. And millionaires know there is always space for development. Number 9. Multiple income streams. The capacity to generate various sources of income is one of the characteristics shared by self-made millionaires, regardless of their professional or educational background. Self-made millionaires usually begin modestly, and gradually add one new source of income at a time. Number 10. They make money doing what they love to do. It doesn't feel like work while you're having fun. You won't require someone to supervise you, or inspire you to perform at your highest level. You'll produce your finest work since it's exciting and comes natural to you. Number 11. The rich have a winner's mindset. A winning mentality places equal emphasis on constant effort and execution in addition to the final result. It involves adopting a mentality that associates preparation and perseverance with providing an excellent performance. Regardless of the result, winning is about who and what you develop into along the journey. Your reward includes the knowledge and expertise you acquire. Number 12. Make it happen. Today's millionaires were often not born into riches. The wealthy have several fundamental characteristics, such as prioritizing savings and diversifying investments, regardless of how they make their money. Many of them put a lot of effort into becoming financially successful, and they then had the acumen and foresight to invest their newfound riches wisely. Number 13. Have a growth mindset. It's simple to get sidetracked and disheartened with the wrong mindset. The optimal mentality strategies for success and fulfillment must thus be developed. People that have a growth mindset will concentrate on what can be learned, and see obstacles as challenges to be conquered. Number 14. A positive outlook on success. A positive outlook on success promotes strategic planning, builds self-confidence, and gives you the ability to adapt when things don't go as planned. You are free to live fully and without looking back thanks to it. Your inner voice could be your finest ally. When presented with a challenge, employing positive self-talk may keep you focused and motivated. Number 15. Prosperity is built on having the proper mentality. When you think with a wealthy mind, you position yourself for future financial success. If you will, the life you are creating has a blueprint that is provided by your ideas. Our world is determined by our thoughts. First and foremost, thinking from abundance is believing that you are capable of achieving riches, success, and prosperity. How we manage our finances also depends on having a prosperity mindset. Number 16. Millionaire draw the finest people their way. It is essential that you have a positive mindset and great work ethic in order to draw the finest chances and people your way. You just need to begin developing the behaviors that will get you there. Thank you for sticking with us. As a gift, we have a bonus for you. Number 17. The rich are future-oriented. Future-oriented people are usually self-made people. The ability to see forward and plan accordingly is among the most crucial millionaire traits to have. Their choices and behaviors are done with the goal of improving their lives in the far future. So the rich choose to make a challenging compromise right now. Your present objectives and manner of thinking will have an impact on your future self. It is not difficult to become wealthy, but it does require time and work. You will earn more money in return the longer you let your account develop. Keep in mind, you are in charge of your own future. You can achieve anything if you work hard enough for it. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please subscribe, and feel free to watch these next 2 videos for more value.